This is for those of you out there who are curious exactly what do I carry in my day-to-day wallet. So today I'm gonna review everything I have in this tiny piece of wallet. Let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. The wallet I'm using is from ATC. This was a birthday present from my last trip to Korea and it was from my dad. This wallet is what I've been using since I've been back. It houses everything that I need on a day-to-day basis. Very small, very handy. I can just keep it in my bag or at the back of my pocket. At the back, you can see I have two cards right over here, and the first card is none other than the HSBC Revolution. HSBC Revolution is a credit card I talk a lot of on this channel. It's a great and versatile card. Gives you 4 miles per dollar, if not 2.5% cashback on every single dollar that you spend on. And I use this on a day-to-day because it has no minimum spending, which is great for me because if you've watched my Money Diary series, you will know that I do not spend a lot every single day in a month. What I use this card for, it can be things like food, dining, retail store, departmental store, and if I'm traveling, I can charge my travel transactions to this card as well. This is not the card that I will use when I'm overseas, but it is what I will use when I'm still here in Singapore. So take for example, I buy a plane ticket, I can use this card and get 2.5% cashback if not 4 miles per dollar. Or when I book a hotel, this will give me the rewards as well. So HSBC Revolution is great. However, this card doesn't cover for your day-to-day public transportation, which is why the second card at the back of my wallet is none other than the Standard Chartered Smart Credit Card. So Standard Chartered Smart Credit Card is a new addition to my piece of wallet right over here. I recently came back and I applied for this card. It is also my no minimum spending credit card combination, which I have a video on this channel. I'll link up above and down below. The Standard Chartered Smart Credit Card gives you 6% rebate on your public transportation, bus and MRT rides. Also 6% rebates for your digital subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, Disney. And if you're a coffee lover like I am and you go to Ya Kun Toast Box often, you can also charge those transactions to this card to get 6% rebates. Little did you know that this card can also be redeemed for miles. The miles conversion, I'll put it right over here. And if you have followed along long enough on this channel, I love cashback cards, which is why I hold both of this cards. But it is versatile in a way that anytime I want to chase after miles, I can as well. And if you've watched my last video on this channel, I mentioned that I will be going after miles for the reason that I want to get a business class ticket to fly my mom from Singapore to South Korea. This is still the credit card combination I'm using to clock the miles, both the HSBC Revolution and the Standard Chartered Smart Credit Card. Going into the wallet itself, when I open the flap right over here, you will see that it's a mini compartment that houses all that I need. So going from the let me just take out all the cash that I have first. I carry about $50 over in my wallet on a day-to-day basis because some places that I go to still do not accept cards or any mode of like scanning to pay. So cash, I will just take it out, put it on the table right over here. The first card that I will see in this flap right over here is none other than the Trust Bank debit and credit card. Trust Bank is also a card that I talk a lot on this channel. I mainly use this card for overseas transactions because it is a credit card. And honestly, it's pretty amazing because whatever overseas transaction you charge on this card, it works like a credit card. You only have to pay when your statement is due. And I carry this around when I'm still in Singapore because of the fact that I can clock link points here. Whenever I go to NTUC and spend over there, this will clock in my link rebates. The points that I accumulate spending on this card can use to offset my future transactions at NTUC, and I still keep this card with me wherever I go. So this is the first card in the biggest flap. One other thing I want to mention about why I carry Trust Bank's card in my wallet is the fact that Trust Bank has a lot of vouchers in their app itself. If you use your Trust Bank app and you scroll through at the coupon section, you can see different vouchers like Collins, it's a Western restaurant which you can get 20% off, and also things like Joy Luck Tea House, Get Go, Coconut Queen. There are a lot of coupons which you can redeem on Trust Bank app and it is entirely for free. Signing up with them is free. When you sign up with Trust Bank, you can use my referral code right over here. You will get $35 in NTUC vouchers, and I do get a little bit kickback in NTUC vouchers as well. If you're signing up with Trust Bank, referral code right over here, if not down in the description box below. I don't talk a lot about the different sign up deals, but WeBoost promotion is what I speak about a lot because it's too good not to be missed. For those of you who have not signed up, April is coming to an end. Their promotion, they are giving you free shares. All you need to do is just sign up, top up your account with any amount above 1 cent, 50 cents, $1, and you are getting USD50 to USD500 worth of these shares right over here. So scan this QR code right over here, if not link down in the description description box below. The steps to follow will be there as well. For those of you who have signed up already, make sure top up your account with 50 cents or $1 so that it will be a valid sign up and you will get the USD 50 to USD $500 worth of these shares. If you're still not sure, DM me on Instagram. This sign up deal is really too good not to be missed, and April is coming to an end. Next to this, if we move on, I have my driving license right over here. This is one that I carry around. I don't carry around my IC with me, but I carry my driving license with me. So the next one is the U-Trip card. I think I just didn't remove this card after I came back from my travel. And at the back over here is my OCBC debit card. So OCBC is the main savings account that I'm using. It gives me 3.25% on the savings that I keep with OCBC 360. So because I'm a person who can't spend $500 or $600 on UOB's site, the only two banks that you should consider right now is between OCBC and UOB because they give you the highest interest rates if you can save with them, spend with them, and also credit your salary. So I'm with OCBC because I cannot spend $500 on their credit card. Next, behind to that will be the UOB Evol card. I have a full credit card guide I'll link up above and down below. If you're a person who can spend $600 every single month on this card, it's great because it gives you 6.67% cashback. And honestly, this is the best cashback card available right now in the market. So if you are a person who is with UOB, with your savings account with them, you can use UOB Evol, spend $600, get 6.67% cashback with this card. All you need to do is to just spend $250 online, $250 on your mobile contactless payment using your phone to scan, not the physical card, and also spend $100 on any of it and you will get 6.67% cashback. If you want to optimize this card, you need to spend exactly this amount that I've mentioned to be able to optimize. If you spend $600 all on the mobile contactless payment, effectively you are only getting 3.33%. Refer to that video, I'm not going to dive into it. After that, the last and final card I have in my wallet is actually the UOB Absolute Amex card. So I still carry this card around with me. Some of the places when I don't use my HSBC Revolution credit card, it doesn't fall into those categories. I will use the UOB Absolute Amex card. I hardly use this card anymore because of all the nerfs that has happened to the UOB Absolute Amex with the Grab Pay function thing. That's about it. I think that's all that I have in my wallet. I don't have anything else here. So this is the APC wallet that I'm using. Everything fits well in this wallet and I love it. It's my everyday carry. I think one other card that's missing from here is actually my cash card. So I carry this around with me often because I do drive my mom's car on the weekends and sometimes after work if I do go out. These are all my cards that I carry in my wallet. It is pretty minimalist. I would think I don't carry as much. Or maybe I do. I have quite... Okay, actually I do carry quite a bit of cards. And there are more which is not here. So these are the number of cards that I keep in my wallet on a day-to-day basis. All my other cards go into this wallet right over here. This is the secret wallet which is RFID protected, etc. At a push of this button, my card will pop up here. So these are my extra cards which I do not use on a day-to-day basis. DBS Live Fresh, DBS Altitude, and also the Standard Chartered debit card. I think that's about it. HSBC debit card, Instagram Amaze is over here as well. Big Pay. When I was overseas, this was one of the cards as well. One last one, Grab Pay. This is what I use and I carry if I need all my extra cards and it doesn't fit into my main wallet. My main wallet is pretty minimalist. All I have is what I use on a day-to-day basis. If you want to sign up with the Standard Chartered Smart Card, make sure you refer to the link down in the description box below. Use it because it's honestly pretty great to get 6% on your daily commute and also buying coffee, buying tea at Ya Kun, Toast Box, and even for your digital subscription. So I charge my Spotify on the Standard Chartered Smart Card as well. This is what is in my wallet, and if you find this interesting, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.